Welcome to Office 24by7. In today's video, we're talking about a feature that can instantly transform how your agents communicate. We've already explained the complete features and functionalities of the Office 24by7 Agent CTI panel in our previous videos. If you'd like a detailed walkthrough of how the CTI works, how to handle inbound and outbound calls, and how agents can use it effectively, please check out our Agent CTI playlist for full guidance. But what if you're using your own in-house application or a third-party CRM and you want Office 24by7's Agent CTI there? The solution is simple. A fully embedded Agent CTI plugin that turns your CRM into a complete, seamless sales, marketing, and support communication system. For this purpose, we provide the CTI as an embedded script that can be placed inside the client's CRM environment. Once embedded, users can make click-to-call, receive inbound calls, and manage all calling activity without switching tabs, external applications, or physical phones. With Agent CTI, you can make and receive all your calls directly in the CRM, eliminating the need for manual call logging. The embedded script loads the CTI interface using the URL ct.office24by7.com. This URL opens the CTI panel where the agent logs in, accesses only the CTI interface, and can start dialing numbers directly. In this mode, the agent performs a manual login and manages both inbound and outbound calls routed through the virtual number.
Please wait. We are connecting your call.
Once a call ends, all call details are automatically pushed back to the CRM via API in a standard JSON format. This allows every call to be recorded, documented, and stored inside the CRM without manual input. Agents also have the option to log out of the panel when needed. If a business prefers not to have agents manually log in with a username and password, Office 24by7 also supports auto login. In this mode, the agent logs in instantly through a secure authentication token, eliminating the need for entering credentials. For this, an HTML file with the embedded code is provided. When opened, it displays the CTI widget with options to minimize and maximize. With a single click, the authentication token is passed to the CTI and the agent is logged in automatically. The virtual number appears immediately, ready for calling. The HTML also includes an input field where users can enter the number they want to call, and clicking Call Now connects the call through the CTI instantly.
Please wait. We are connecting your call.
When an agent logs in, they are automatically placed in the ready state, which is the default working mode. In this mode, the agent can see the virtual number, the dial pad, the call button, and the break options. Inbound calls are routed only when the agent is in ready. To make an outbound call, the agent can simply enter the number and click the call button.
Please wait. We are connecting your call.
The call connects through the browser, and during connection, the Agent CTI tracks the call duration in real time. Agents can also initiate calls directly from the CRM through Click to Call, where the dial pad opens automatically for faster calling and reduced input errors. When a call connects, the CTI displays the ringing status, followed by the talking mode. In the talking mode, all call controls, hold, mute, and end, are available and are tracked in real time along with the call duration. When an inbound call reaches the virtual number, the agent receives a ringing pop-up inside the CTI with options to answer or reject, ensuring full control without leaving the CRM screen. Agents can switch to break whenever needed, for lunch, tea, or when away from their desk. While on break, no calls are routed to them, ensuring accurate availability tracking. Once a call ends, all call details, call duration, call status, agent name, call type, and the call recording are automatically pushed into the CRM. No manual entry is required, and every call is tracked and stored correctly. Only one active CTI session is allowed per agent to prevent duplicate logins and ensure stable call routing. It's also important that agents do not refresh the CRM during live calls, as doing so disconnects the WebRTC session and drops the call. Browser microphone permissions must also be granted to ensure proper audio communication. Agent CTI is fully embedded, automated, and effortless. It removes manual work, improves call handling, and ensures every conversation is recorded, tracked, and actionable directly inside your CRM. Agent CTI Plugin from Office24by7 is a robust and versatile solution that can be used in any CRM, web, and mobile application, with all callback details pushed through APIs and stored at your end. Thank you for watching, and we hope this helps you deliver faster, smarter, and more connected customer communication with Office 24by7.